spoke the heavens into light. Still you hear me in the dead of night. Divine in mercy, strong in grace, there's no shadow that could hide your face. You gave your heart upon the tree, poured out love to set the captives free. Holy Father, righteous King, all creation rises up and sings. Every chain falls at your name. Every fear is washed away. You are holy, all powerful, faithful through the fire and the flood. Generous Savior, undefeated King, you carried my shame upon the cross. Divine Redeemer, risen Son, the battle's won, the victory's yours. From heaven's throne to Calvary, your endless love has rescued me. You heal the broken, lift the weak. Your voice brings peace the world can't speak. Every blessing flows from you, pure and perfect in all you do. Nails and thorns could not contain the everlasting God who broke the grave. Now my soul will testify, Jesus Christ forever glorified. At the cross, mercy poured like rain. By your blood, by your love, I am born again, King of kings, Lord of all. Every knee will bow, Holy One, risen Son, be exalted now. You are holy, all powerful, Alpha and Omega, Prince of Peace, generous Father, reigning still. Your grace is more than enough for me. Through the cross I am redeemed. Through your love my heart believes. Divine forever, faithful always. Jesus, you